Are you looking for change in your facial appearance, or do you want to contour your face? And do you think that surgery is the only way your face can be contoured? I'm Dr. B.K. Garg. I am plastic and cosmetic surgeon at Iconique Clinic, Gurugram. Dear friends, in today's video, I will discuss whether it's really possible to contour your face without surgery. Many of us are not very satisfied with our facial appearance. Sometimes we feel that age has taken its toll, or sometimes we feel that our chin could have been different, or our nose could have been different, or maybe our cheeks were a little more filled up, or maybe there was less hollowness under our eyes. Now, conventionally and for many years, we have been thinking that only surgery can be the solution to such problems. Now, in recent times, in today's world, we have ability and capability to deal with such issues without any significant surgery. Surgery has typically very long downtime and involves some amount of risk also. It's true that results of surgery can be quite long lasting, but then it comes with its own problems and much higher level of commitment on part of patient. So in this video, I will discuss what are the possibilities with minimally invasive or non-invasive methods for facial contouring and changing its shape. Many of our viewers are confused about botulinum toxin and fillers, and they think that they have interchangeable role, which is not true at all. Botulinum toxin is a muscle relaxant and it only takes care of dynamic wrinkles. So listen carefully, dynamic wrinkles are wrinkles which appear on movement, on contraction of muscles or on the facial movements. These wrinkles cannot be taken care of by fillers. So botulinum toxin, or popularly known as Botox, is treatment for dynamic wrinkles which may appear around your eyes, forehead, or maybe around your oral cavity or other part of the face, including neck also. Whereas fillers are naturally occurring synthetic substances. Generally, they are hyaluronic acid. They come in pre-made or pre-filled syringes, and these have to be injected into various areas of face. So fillers work in entirely different way. Fillers can provide you extra volume when there is some volume required. Fillers may provide you with hydration when there is persistent dryness of skin, or fillers may provide some kind of lift, particularly in the middle of the face. And fillers can also provide you enhancement or contouring of face, particularly in chin, nose and jawline. So by combining botulinum toxin and hyaluronic acid fillers, we can bring about a significant change in your facial appearance and expression. So when we speak about expression and appearance, we are talking about taking away some negative attributes, some negative emotion from your face like tiredness, sagginess or anger. We can use botulinum toxin to make you look more relaxed, and at the same time, if there is some dehydration on the face or there is some disproportionate or asymmetry in the face, that can be taken care of by using hyaluronic acid fillers. Now the positive thing about this kind of treatment is that these kind of treatments are almost have negligible downtime. These treatments can be staged, these treatments can be titrated according to your need. There's ability to modify the outcome of these treatments, and they are very safe. It's important that since botulinum toxin and filler treatments are available everywhere, you should consult with your surgeon in detail what exactly you need. Your surgeon needs to have very deep sense of aesthetics and beauty, and he should be able to help you understand what kind of emotion or expression we want to change. Results of these treatments are very subtle and gentle in expert hands, and that's Exactly, our goal is to give you a gentle and subtle result which changes your facial expression, changes the emotion on your face to something very positive, takes care of minor contour irregularities, and overall enhancing your appearance in such a positive manner which is hardly noticeable but still has to be appreciated. So, if you are looking for change of your facial expression, facial emotion, and facial shape without surgery, please get in touch with us. We'll be very happy to help you all your questions and all your queries. Thank you very much.